Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your data are grouped and balanced enough to compare. Once organized, compute each group mean and the overall grand mean. Next, for every group, multiply its sample size by the squared difference between its mean and the grand mean to get each group's contribution to between-group variability. Do this now because SS between quantifies how much group centers differ. Once done, sum those contributions to obtain SS between and note the degrees of freedom for the numerator. You now quantify variability inside groups by subtracting each group mean from each score, squaring those differences, and summing them within each group. Once done, sum across groups to obtain SS within. This captures random error and individual variation, which is why it's essential to contrast it with SS between. Then compute degrees of freedom for the denominator as total n minus number of groups, and divide each sum of squares by its df to produce ms between and ms within. These mean squares are ready for the final ratio. You compute the f ratio by dividing ms between by ms within. This tells you how much group-to-group variance exceeds within group noise. Next, compare that f to a critical f with df between and df within, or use a p-value to decide significance. If p is below your alpha, reject the null that means are equal. Finally, if results seem odd, make sure assumptions hold. Check normality, homogeneity of variances, and no extreme outliers as a quick troubleshooting step before rerunning the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.